is going to hold you to the best of your ability to get to the next level. All right, I have three closing remarks, family. First one, continuously learn and adapt. Hey, listen, basically embracing the growth mindset, meaning don't be afraid of new challenges. Take them on and see what you can learn from this, because the more you seek opportunities to learn, not the shiny object syndrome, but the thing that you said that you wanted to become, that you made a commitment to, whether it's taking the CAPML, whether it's taking the PMP, whether it's taking the ACP, whatever it is, you stick with the commitment until it doesn't make sense no more, and you have to pivot, which makes us move on to point number two, embracing change and adaptability. Again, treat your personal development as an opportunity, as a project, embracing the change and be willing to adapt if required based on the opportunity. My last and final one, family, is scope management to prevent commitment. Listen, we understand what in project management, a lot of times the scope is always under attack, that you feel like you're guarding it with your actual life. But seriously, clearly define what you will and will not take on so you can avoid overstretching yourself.